know it's all there is to be. Slowly erase your destiny, and you'll be just fine.
If you are looking for a 5-bedroom home with close proximity to a lot of shopping, restaurants, the South Point Hotel, the South Premium Hotel, and major freeways, this home might work for you. Welcome to 9604 Vital Crest in Las Vegas, Nevada. This home features luxury vinyl plank throughout the entire home, plus enjoy a no HOA community. In addition, you will enjoy a pool-sized backyard. Contact me 725-287-5242 and let's get started for an exclusive tour. Let's tour this beautiful home together.
Before we begin the tour, let me guide you on how to get to Angelo's newest listing from the Bellagio Fountain. These are the amenities available at Angelo's newest listing. Schools: Beverly Mathis Elementary School, Canarelli Middle School, Southwest Career and Technical Academy. Grocery stores: Albertsons, Smith's, Sprouts Farmers Market, Health and Fitness, BFT Blue Diamond, True Fusion Blue Diamond, EOS Fitness. Hospitals: Dignity Health St. Rose Dominican Hospital, Blue Diamond. Dignity Health St. Rose Dominican Hospital, San Martin Campus. Pet Care, Petco, Aloha Animal Hospital.
Alright guys, let's tour this beautiful home. First off, you have a 2-car driveway and a 2-car garage. In addition, you have this amazing curb appeal. Let's start with your front yard. This front yard is with stunning artificial grass, and also they finished this with beautiful stonework leading you to the front door. Now, one thing I like about this home, you've got plenty of space on your porch to be able to relax and enjoy the Las Vegas weather. Okay, let's do this guys. Let's enter the home. Welcome to this beautiful home. First, on the right side, you will be greeted by a den which can be used as an office or a flex area. And now we're gonna check out the half bathroom on the first floor. This half bathroom is conveniently located near the office so that your guests will also be able to use this half bathroom. One special feature about this home is that they also have plenty of storage space underneath the stairs. Definitely a lot of space to store your Hermes bags or Louis Vuittons. Welcome to this open concept floor plan. One thing you will notice guys, definitely everything is with luxury vinyl plank. They have upgraded this home with luxury vinyl planks from the first floor up to the second floor, including all the bedrooms. That means easy maintenance. You don't have to do anything about carpet vacuuming. In addition, as you can see on the stairs, they've also upgraded this with a wooden stairs, and you have this mission style railing to add some more, and you have this upgraded mission style railing that opens up the stairs leading you to the second floor. Okay, let's visit this spacious living room area. First, you've got plenty of windows at this particular living room area, one here and one there. And all of the window coverings are already here so that you don't have to worry about anything. Just bring your toothbrush and toothpaste. Immediately to your living room area is your very spacious dining area. This dining area has already an installed beautiful chandelier. In addition, this dining area has access immediately to the backyard, which we will check in a while. Moving along, we have a beautifully upgraded kitchen, granite countertops, plus all of the appliances you will see here at this kitchen is included in the price, including the refrigerator. Now also, you have double oven to enjoy. If you're a cook, definitely you will enjoy this. In addition, guys, you will have the backsplash already installed at this particular kitchen. Very open when you're here in front of this kitchen island. You can literally talk to the people enjoying the sumptuous meal that you have prepared, because people are going to visit you in Vegas once you bought this home. They will enjoy and will visit you all the time. Plus, you can also watch the television area while you're preparing the food. Now, this area is the area where you enter the home from your garage. They also have included a built-in cabinet here for you to be able to store your keys or other items. Are you ready, guys? I'm super excited for you to check out the second floor. Imagine yourself, you don't have to worry about cleaning the carpets going up because this is easy maintenance. When you have a wooden floor on your staircase, this will make your life easier. Okay, let's do this. Let's go up and check out the 5 bedrooms. Now, one thing you will notice is that this particular staircase have 2 landings that is easy for you to be able to go up. This home also features a separate thermostat on the second floor so that you can control the temperature at this particular second floor. First off, let's get a visit one of the secondary bedrooms. Welcome to this first secondary bedroom, very spacious, and you can fit a queen-size bed in here. Lots of natural light coming inside. In fact, I can see a lot of mountain views there at the window, and also you have a light there already installed. Welcome to the other secondary bedroom. This also is with lots of natural light coming inside. Welcome to the third secondary bedroom. You've got your ceiling fan and light already installed. All right, let's visit the fourth bedroom. Welcome to the fourth secondary bedroom. This one, guys, as you can see, you have already the ceiling fan and the lights already installed. You will notice all of the bedrooms, in fact, have luxury vinyl plank. So you don't have to worry about maintenance of carpet anymore. Before we go to the primary bedroom, let's visit your laundry area, conveniently located on the second floor as well. This home also comes with this high efficiency washer and dryer, so therefore you will have to enjoy plenty of savings. Plus, this will come in the price, definitely included. And enjoy, don't worry about installing your washer and dryer. Welcome to the primary bedroom. This primary bedroom has 2 doors and definitely spacious. A king-size bed will fit in here easily. Plus, you've got the light already installed, you have a pre-wire for the television area, and you have luxury vinyl plank. This bedroom also has plenty of natural light, and also I can see some mountain views to enjoy. Now let's visit your primary bathroom. Welcome to the primary bathroom. You've got your shower area, plenty of space, plus you have the bathtub here, and you've got your custom-made windows there. And also you have double sink at this particular bathroom. This bathroom also comes with this toilet that already has a bidet. Welcome to the primary walk-in closet. Now, a lot of you guys will enjoy this because they've already custom built the cabinetry on this particular primary walk-in closet, ready to store your precious clothings, your Hermes bags, and your Louis Vuittons. Now, let's check out your pool-sized backyard, which is already finished so that you don't have to worry about it. Just enjoy and relax there. Let's do that. All right, leading you to the backyard is your sliding door, and also it has a screen if you wanted some fresh air. Welcome to your future oasis where you can enjoy this pool-sized backyard. One thing you will notice, guys, they've already upgraded this with beautiful pavers and stonework. You've got your waterfall feature there at the back. Now, one thing special, you will never have a rear neighbor. So this is already it. That means you will enjoy lots of privacy at this particular backyard. Now, one thing I wanted to mention, if you go on the side yard, there is a pathway there leading you to the front of the house. Alright guys, this side yard here was already upgraded by the owner, so therefore you have easy access from the front yard leading you to the backyard using your side yard. I hope you enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. Don't miss the opportunity to own a beautiful home in a great location. Definitely contact me, 725-287-5242. This is a move-in ready upgraded home. Just bring your toothbrush and toothpaste and have a beautiful life here in Las Vegas. Again guys, thank you so much and have an amazing and may God bless you all.